Although it is not yet formally available, the 2025 Peugeot 408 is anticipated to be released in 2024. These are the current theories and information we have regarding this vehicle. Design: the 408 will be a crossover SUV that combines a sedan smoothness with an SUV sense of flair. Including the Peugeot 508, it is anticipated to have a sloping roofline and to include standard equipment including the brand new LED taillights and daytime running lights from Peugeot. Powertrain: a range of engine options, including a 1.2-liter turbocharged gasoline engine, two plug-in hybrid alternatives with 180 horsepower and 225 horsepower, and an all-electric version called the E408 that is anticipated to be released in 2024, are anticipated to be available for the 408. The predicted MPG for the plug-in hybrid vehicles ranges from 211 to 270 miles per gallon, with an electric range of up to 41 miles. Interior: with premium materials and Peugeot's most recent iCockpit technologies, the 408's interior is anticipated to be every bit as elegant as its exterior. This technology consists of a head-up display, a small steering wheel, and a digital instrument cluster. Amenities: a wide range of standard and optional amenities, such as a heated steering wheel, ventilated seats, a premium audio system, a panoramic sunroof, and a number of driver assistance technologies, are anticipated for the 408. It's crucial to remember that this information is based on rumors and conjecture and is not official. Regarding the 2025 408, Peugeot has not yet made any public announcements. All things considered, the 2025 Peugeot 408 is a promising new SUV with a luxury cabin, a range of powertrain choices, and a chic exterior. In the upcoming months, we'll have to wait and watch what Peugeot formally says with the 408.